No, stop!
Came a very severe frost and ice upon the waters a half-inch thick. The
What the hell's that guy doing?
having been issued substandard
Really?
tents,
They just
suffered
sit in the middle there
severely.
for no reason.
The substandard shoes issued were by now falling apart.
Wait, he was not in the right lane, was he?
Seconds for the coaches, I think it is. They can lose this game and bounce back. It's an enormous game.
Red light run,
In
red
the
light run,
careers of-
red light run.
1815 to 1863. Chapter 8. The Cause of Learning. If ignorance could be banished from our land, a real millennium would commence.
You may want to think twice
what are you
before
doing?
going inside that old
It's
abandoned-
still red. Hello? Alright, that Honda exit dive, he came from the left lane. Do you have to have your brights on? Do you have to have your brights on? Nope!
To rise until Thursday, 6 o'clock a.m., the 28th, when it ceased.
Red light run,
And
red
about
light
12
run,
o'clock.
red light run.
that part. Absolutely. And you're gonna have to make peace with her ex, whether that was a fling or they were married before, whatever. Because that dude's gonna be part of your life forever. Yeah. Just is. And I've seen it done. It's
It's
so
a funeral,
incredibly
you
well.
can't go in the middle of
The
it.
dads like go out and check in with each
Seriously.
other. What are you seeing with their kid? Like, try to have some kumbaya conversation. It's not going to go very well, or some sort of after-school special conversation.
Yeah.
It's not going to go well.
Oh boy.
You
You can't turn left here. You see, when this light turns green, the cars turning left from the right also have a green light. It's not going to work well. Let's see the drama, how this is going to turn out. Dude, just make a right, make a U-turn. Come on. Or you can just do that. Red light run, red light run, red light run. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of shit today. I just had to run to the store. And it's red.
And that's don't have anybody to talk to.
That was
and then
not a
they just
stop.
get that idea in their head.
I mean, we have been at this a long time.
Eventually, I'm going to be old. Hopefully, I'm not going to
I think
have
it was
to
red
be
light
old.
run. I'm gonna check that.
Get my-
For four brand new tires. I was like, it was not bad. Why the fuck are you on my ass? There's a left lane right there, and it's huge. You can pass me there. You gotta be on my ass.
You really trying to do that with your work truck when you're driving that?
It hasn't happened in a while. When I used to, okay, the one, what the fuck is this guy doing? This is one of my dash cam hotspots every single time I come through here.
I just don't.
Probably when I was around 30-ish years old. Because back then I was still living in Florida, and I was just fucking, actually no, it was actually
Weird about a lot of things.
it's like exit dive. I'm getting a lot of shit, man. I usually don't catch them here. You're in the car, that's why I'm getting a lot of crap. A really long time to get into drinking. What are you doing? I have a feeling you're gonna go straight, and it's the right turn only lane. Yeah.
Didn't expect it. It wasn't all that unusual to him. And yet that's the beauty of the report, that they didn't realize how, my gosh, what did they see? Well, they saw an ape-like creature that was wading through the water.
No, stop behind me.
A course away from them.
Oh shit, I gotta wake up now part where I finally wake up.
Yeah. That's just how it is.
Exit dive behind me.
Antarctica and aliens shit. You ever seen that?
Again, I like the movie The Thing. That's one of my all-time favorite movies. And are you exit diving? Of course you are. But no, I'm not into aliens. Fuck it, no.
So couldn't
Yeah, your ugly cat was drooling all the time.
That cat was amazing. I used to pick that cat. I used to pick that cat. That cat used to
I did not have to move over. That guy didn't stop behind me. Bad things. There's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they... No, turn on red. It's a bad thing to turn right on red. No, stop.
Quit asking.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. No stopping. Don't you see me here? Really? And now you gotta go as slow as possible because of reasons.